Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to add new campaign monitor subscribers to Google Sheets automatically. So the idea is that whenever a new subscriber is created in campaign monitor, it will automatically send this data to Google Sheets. Now the issue here is there is actually no connection between campaign monitor and Google Sheets. So in cases like this, we have to use an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Campaign Monitor and Google Sheet. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. A person without any technical skills can perform this integration very easily. Now before I show you the steps, how about we begin with a real-time example.
Okay, so this is my Campaign Monitor account and this is my Google Sheets. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a new subscriber here and we will see the data of the same subscriber will be automatically added in Google Sheets or not. So let me do that. Let me just click on add new subscriber and here we are going to go with a name called as Joy Rogan. So this is the email address 123@gmail.com and this is the name Joy Rogan and this is the age of Joy Rogan. He is 56 years old. Let me just click on next. Okay, so the subscriber is getting uploaded. So this is the email field and this is the name field, full name, and then we have the age. Okay, just click on save and continue. Okay, so a new subscriber called as Joy Rogan is being created. Now the idea is that the details of Joy Rogan will be automatically available in Google Sheets or not. So a subscriber has been created, so let's explore. Yes, we do have the details of Joy Rogan in our Google Sheet. We have the name, we have the email, and of course we have the age. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Campaign Monitor to Google Sheet? So basically here we are using an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Campaign Monitor and Google Sheets. Now before I show you the steps, how about I show you a small perspective? Okay, so this is how the integration will work. So first of all, you are going to integrate Campaign Monitor and Pabbly Connect. That's basically step 1. Then in step 2, you are going to collect the data from Campaign Monitor and send it to Pabbly Connect. Now in the step 3, you are going to use the same data to create a row in Google Sheets. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Campaign Monitor and Google Sheets. Okay, so this is how the integration is going to work. First of all, in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. So this is the website of pabbly.com. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. Here you can build your own account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already built an account, so I will be directed to the app section of Pabbly. So this is the app section of Pabbly. Let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this, a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Campaign Monitor to Google Sheets. To Google Sheets. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. It's totally on you. And let me just straight away click on create. So when you click on create, you will find 2 windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. Now we want to send the data from Campaign Monitor, so we are going to select the app as Campaign Monitor. This one. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new subscriber? Okay, simply just click on connect. We are going with the new connection. Now here we have to fill some details. Okay, now apparently it is coming pre-filled. In my case, this is wrong. Okay, so here we have to enter the API key and we have to we don't have to fill anything in the password, just keep it as blank, but we do have to enter the API key. So this is how you get the API key. You go to the Campaign Monitor and these are the instructions you have to follow. Okay, you go to the account settings and then you get the API key. Okay, so this is how you do it. You go to the account settings. Okay, after that you go to the API key. Okay, so this is the API key. Just click on show API key. So it will ask for a password. So I'm just going to fill the password. So this is the password with which I have logged in to my Campaign Monitor account. So simply just click on confirm. Okay, so let me just click on show API key. Okay, so let me just So I'm sorry, this is the key. Okay, I didn't generate a new key. I'm happy with the old key. Okay, let me just create a click on paste. So I have added the API key. Just click on save. So when you click on save, you have two fields, the client account and the list ID. So the client account is basically showing it as Pabbly and the list ID as alpha. The client account is Pabbly. Okay, so this is the account name Pabbly. Okay, and these are the list I have in my Campaign Monitor account. Let me just show you all the list I have. So these are the list I have. Okay, all the list that is present here is being reflected here. Now I'm interested in working with a specific list that is called as Sunshine. Okay, I'm selecting this particular list, Sunshine. So we are going to integrate this particular list to Pabbly Connect, and this is how you do it. You just click on save and send test request. So at this point it is showing it is waiting for the data. So what we are going to do here is we are going to create a new subscriber. Okay, so this is a step that you have already done. So let me just do it fast. So the name of the guy is Lily Joy 34 @gmail.com. So this is the email address. Okay, and let me just add the name Lily and Joy. After that, let me just add the age. She is let's say 59. Okay, so this is the name Lily Joy 34 @gmail.com. This is the name Lily Joy, and this is of course the age. Just click on next. Okay, so we are uploading a new subscriber. So this is of course the email address, and this is the full name, and we are going to add the age. Okay, just click on save and continue. Okay, so it is trying to authorize. Excellent. Okay, so I think a new subscriber called as Lily Joy has been added. So let's have a look. Since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Campaign Monitor, has Pabbly Connect captured these details or not? Yes, we do have the details. So this is the email address, lilyjoy34 @gmail.com. The name is Lily Joy, and of course this is the age, that is 59. Now we want to send all these details to our Google Sheet. So this is how you do it. You select the app as Google Sheets. Google Sheets it is. Now in the action event, how about we make it as add new row? Simply just click on connect. We are going with the new connection. Now I actually planned to create a new Google Sheet. Okay, let me just create a new Google Sheet. Okay, just go to Google Sheets. Let me just click on blank. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy the columns I have. Copy this and paste it here. Okay, so just I'm too lazy to manually type all this, so that is why. And subscribers in Campaign Monitor. So this will be the name, subscribers in Campaign Monitor. Okay, so this is the name, subscribers in Campaign Monitor, and this is the column name, email, and of course the age. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on connect with Google Sheets. Now we have built a new Google Sheet. So this particular Google Sheet, that is subscribers in Campaign Monitor, is present in this account. So I'm selecting this one. Okay, so now Pabbly Connect wants access to my Google Sheet. So before I press continue, let me just remind you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, let me just straight away click on continue. Okay, so the authorization is successful. So we have 3 fields to fill: the name, the email, and of course the age. We will start with the name. So we click here, and if you remember, the name of the guy was Lily Joy. Okay, so we click here. We click here, and we have the detail Lily Joy. Okay, so we have mapped it. Then we have the email. We click here, and this is the email address. We have mapped it. Then we have the age. Okay, so this is the age, and we have mapped it. So we have mapped all the details. At this point, just click on save and send test request to send this data to Google Sheets. Okay, so the response is a positive one. So let's hope. Yes, we do have the details in Google Sheets. We have the name, we have the email, and we have the age. So the presence of this data row indicates we have a successful integration between Campaign Monitor and Google Sheets. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize this action window, and let me just minimize this trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Campaign Monitor to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Google Sheets. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Campaign Monitor and Google Sheets. Now the importance of creating this workflow is, once you create this workflow, all you have to do is just sit back and relax. Because if a new subscriber is created in Campaign Monitor, automatically that data will be sent to Google Sheets every time. So not just these two apps, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, please contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect as well as the workflow is available in the description box. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.